Alright guys, it is feeling like Christmas today. It is snowing and it's actually like dusting on the grass and stuff on the ground, so it's pretty to look at, but it's freezing cold. So yeah, but definitely feeling like Christmas. Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. I am filming this video on Wednesday, December the 11th of 2024. You guys are seeing this on Saturday, December the 14th of 2024, Vlogmas day number 14. I'm just taking you guys along for another day in the life. As you saw in there in the beginning, it is snowing. Not like accumulating, but it is snowing, and so it's really cold. It's like 33 right now, so freezing. But I'm in Kroger now doing my deals video. I'm a little bit late. I usually get here earlier than this. It's been a pretty eventful morning. My grandma called and I was helping her order some Christmas presents online. She doesn't have a computer or anything, so she doesn't want one. I would teach her how to use one, but she doesn't want one, so I help her with that stuff. So we ordered a couple presents on Walmart.com for her that she wanted to give to people, and then was helping her, like, it was her like day she gets paid and stuff, so I was helping her with that. So yeah, it's been an eventful morning, so hopefully you guys are cool with me being a little bit late with my Kroger video. But anyways, that's what's been up. I'm at Kroger now, braving the cold, filming my video. I'm gonna get a couple of groceries, so I'll just take you guys along vlog style, show you what I get. Grabbed a pack of water. This is $2.99 this week with Weekly Digital, so picking that up. And then I am looking at the like Christmas candy, because they're doing a deal this week where it's 33% off of the sale prices with the digital coupon. So I'm trying to like think about what we need for Christmas, like baking and stuff. So we make those Rolo like pretzel things. So what you do is you get like a round pretzel, you stick a Rolo down in there, and you put an M&M on top, and oh my gosh, they are so good. So I definitely want to make some of those. I'm trying to figure out like what's the better deal, because they have these that have like 50 in them, and then they have this bigger one that's got 80 in them. But I actually think it would work out to be a better deal to get two of these than to get this one big one. I think it's going to work out. You get 100, and this would be like 5 something for 80. So I think this actually is the better deal. So I'm going to go ahead and get 2 of these. I don't even know if I need that many, but I don't know. I'm going to grab them just in case. And then for the M&Ms, I'm going to pick up one of these holiday blend ones. I think they come out to like $2.90 something cents. So one of these I think will be enough, because yeah, there's like 300 something M&Ms in here. So that'll definitely be enough of those. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 of the Rockstar energy drinks for a moneymaker while I'm in here at Kroger, because why not? So $1 moneymaker to help go towards my other items. For dinner tonight, we're going to be making chili, which I'm going to show you guys in this vlog. But for that, I always need this. It's called the Mishap blend. It has onion, carrots, and celery. This is so easy, way easier than cutting up onions, carrots, and celery. It's only $1.59, so I'm going to pick this up. And then I don't know when we're going to be making this, but I want to have it on hand because this is like the only thing we need to make this. I need peas and carrots. So I'm trying to find those. There we go, peas and carrots. Doesn't say how much these are. There are some vegetables. I think they're $1.25. There are some that are on sale for $1. Let me see if these are $1. These are $1, so that's great. So the peas and carrots are $1, and the Mishap blend, let me make sure that's not $1. This one's not $1, but that's okay. I'm still excited. That was really good for the peas and carrots. So yeah, I'm grabbing those. I don't know if you guys have this at your Kroger, but my store has like a random markdowns area where they put like frozen stuff, frozen meals, things like that. They have quite a few today. They actually have, that's still kind of expensive, but these are a pretty good price. These smart ones, these are only $1.38. I'm trying to see if there are any that I want. I don't know. Ooh, these are only $1.30. That's even better. Might go ahead and pick up 3 of these, but yeah, it's pretty good. So check your store. Do you guys have a markdowns area for like frozen stuff at your Kroger? I would love to know. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up for Christmas. The Starry Zero Sugar Lemon Lime Cranberry. So good. I have a coupon. It's actually the Merry Days. If you clipped that last week, to get it for 88 cents, which is nice. If you don't have that, it's only 99 cents. So still a really good deal. I'm gonna pick this up. Guys, I survived Kroger. It actually wasn't too bad, but I survived. I got everything I needed, and I filmed the video, so we are good. So now just to check out and then go home and edit everything, so I can get my video up for you guys. So yeah, that's kind of what's up.
Later.
Alright guys, so like I mentioned earlier, we decided to have chili for dinner tonight with the weather being freezing cold. It's such a good meal, and we like to make ours like a copycat version of the Wendy'S chili, which Wendy'S chili is really cool because it has onions, celery, and peppers, which I thought I was getting, but wait a second, something went wrong. Guys, had to interject in there for a minute because I was cooking the chili, getting it all on, and I was like getting ready to put the Mirapox blend in or whatever, and then I looked at the Mirapox blend. I do not typically use Mirapox blend. I use something called like seasoning blend vegetables, which is onions, celery, and peppers. That's what I was supposed to get, not Mirapox, which is onions, celery, and carrots. So I didn't have the peppers, and now the chili has carrots. So this is a first. I've never had carrots in chili. I mean, I looked it up on Google, and apparently it's not like a foreign thing. People do put carrots in their chili. Some people say it's really good, but I've never put carrots in my chili. So this is about to get interesting. So we're going to see. We're going to see how this tastes. But I made a major mistake at the store and picked up the wrong thing. So we'll see. We'll see how this tastes. All right, so now that we cleared that up, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 2 cans of diced tomatoes. You can use 2 cans of any kind of beans that you want. We had a can of chili beans and a can of dark red kidney beans we put in here, but I've done different variations, so whatever you wanna do. Also, you're gonna need some ground beef. You're gonna need a little can of tomato sauce. You're gonna need the right vegetables, the onion, celery, and bell pepper chopped up. And then you're also going to need some garlic powder, some oregano, and some chili powder. So basically, it's pretty easy. You're going to go ahead and put in your 2 cans of tomatoes there, as well as that tomato sauce and your ground beef. If you need to do the ground beef ahead of time, we had ours already frozen, so just thaw it out and put it in. You can brown it up before. Then you're going to go ahead and add in your 2 cans of beans. You're also going to need about 1.5 cups of water. This worked out really good. So 1.5 cups of water to go ahead and put in there with your chili. And then here is where you're going to put in your seasoning blend of vegetables. So the onions, celery, and bell peppers, not carrots. Ugh, I don't know what I was thinking. But anyways, then you're going to add in your spices. I used to measure them, but at this point, I just eyeball it until I think it looks good. So I just put in some garlic, some oregano, and chili powder. Also to that, you are going to need to add in a little bit of sugar. I did use like 1.5 Truvia packets in this. So that's what I did. Put it on high in the crock pot and let it do its thing, and it comes out really, really good. And it really does remind you a lot of Wendy's. Alright guys, it is now dinner time, and I was going to show you how I do my chili. So at Wendy's, it just comes with like crackers. But at home, when I make it, I like to put these tortilla strips on there. It makes them really good. And then I also put sour cream and cheese, and it's really good. So that is how I do my chili. Let me know down below, how do you guys eat your chili? My grandparents use crackers. Some people put like hot sauce in it. So just a bunch of variations. Let me know how you eat. Moment of truth about the chili and the carrots and that whole fiasco. Did it make a difference? Not a huge difference. Now, I will say it added more of a crunchiness. I don't find the bell peppers, they cook in it. They're not as crunchy as the carrots were. So the texture-wise, it was a little bit crunchier when you had a carrot. There was, I would say, more carrots in that Mirapox blend or whatever. Is it Mirapox or Mirapooks? Somebody will let me know, I'm sure, in the comments. But it was more crunchier, and I feel like there were more carrots in it, but flavor-wise, it was still phenomenal. It was still really good. So it was not a huge deal breaker. So I made a mistake, but thankfully it wasn't that big of a mistake. So that all worked out. Anyways, though, guys, outfit change. We just got back a little bit ago, probably half an hour or so ago from a church thing tonight. So went to that. I was like a Christmas program thing. So that was good. So went to that, got back from that. And yeah, so that's kind of what's up. So kind of a low-key day. I mean, it was busy, just a lot of stuff to do, but not a lot of fun things to vlog about. But I do hope you guys enjoyed following me along for that mini Kroger haul and hearing all about my mistake I made. Hopefully I don't make that mistake again. But like I said, it wasn't a deal breaker. Yeah. Anyways, though, I do have our Advent calendar, so let's go ahead and do those. We're going to start with the Around the World in 24 Days Advent calendar because, in my opinion, that's just the one that's more fun because there's a lot of, different candies. And I feel like with the Berry Mary one, it's a lot of the same kind of stuff, same kind of flavor stuff. So, yeah, but I'm excited. So this one's going to be a lot of fun. So what we got here is we have assorted flavor jelly candy, fruity, gummy, and gooseberry, it says. And it says these fruity chews hail from the Italian port city Genoa, where the Dufour brand was born in 1926. So these are Dufour Big Fruit jellies, candies. Okay. Instead of saying fruit, it says Big Fruit. I guess that's how they pronounce fruit. I don't know. We have a couple of different ones here. We actually have several different ones that came in here. So it looks like we have like a strawberry one. So we got a strawberry, and then we also have a blueberry, and we also have... Then this one is actually a gooseberry flavor, which I have never heard of gooseberry, so I don't know. But we're about to try them. We're going to try all three because we got 3 flavors. And it looks like they gave me, so I'm excited. So here's what they look like. We're gonna start out with the strawberry one. So it looks kind of like a gummy vitamin if you guys have those. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, so that one, honestly, if you guys, this is weird. It kind of gives me a couple different flavor vibes. So first impression, you guys know the strawberry like syrup they put in the sundaes at McDonald's? It kind of resembles that, but then it also was like, I don't know, it was also kind of bitter at the same time. It was kind of weird, but interesting. I mean, it is very true to its name, a sort of jelly candy, and it is strawberry flavored. So yeah, it kind of reminds me of like a bitter kind of McDonald's strawberry syrup. All right, so on to the blueberry. Looks pretty much the same, except it's purple or blue, more like a blueberry. It looks more purple to me than blue, but maybe I'm colorblind. Woo! That is strong. That is really strong. It honestly kind of, I have given the Berry Mary Advent Calendar a lot of flack. I'm like, oh, it tastes like cough syrup. That, if I was like, if you could imagine a kid's, like, I don't know if it exists, a blueberry flavored cough syrup, kind of get that out of that. I really do. That was very, very strong. That is like, I don't know. It's kind of bitter. Like I said, they're kind of bitter. I don't know. All right. Next up is the gooseberry. I don't even know what to think about this because I don't even know what a gooseberry is, but we're about to find out. So, if you guys have ever had a gooseberry, let me know. It says they're not common in America, but they're popular throughout Europe. And it says gooseberries are tart and round and look somewhat similar to grapes. Definitely it's a tart kind of candy. Does it taste like grapes? It says they look similar to grapes. It doesn't say they taste like grapes. I don't even know how to describe that. I don't even know what to say that tastes like because I've never had a gooseberry and it's not something that's common in America. So I mean, it's fine. I don't know if it tastes like a gooseberry though, but yeah, it's all right. So anyways, we had that. Let's go ahead now and do the Berry Mary Advent Calendar and see, do we have anything different? Maybe day 14, they'll give us something different. I'm not too hopeful they're going to taste different, but they did give us a different shape here. So they gave us red and green like stars. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how they taste. I'm assuming this one's strawberry because most of the red candies in here are. So let's give it a try. You know what? That tasted a little less cough syrupy than the other ones. Actually, it was pretty good. It was kind of like a strawberry vibe, but it wasn't like overly strawberry, like giving me cough syrup vibes. So I am not mad about that. Okay, on to the green star, which should be good. Let's give it a try. Gonna be honest, I actually am more of a fan of these. These might be the best ones I've actually had out of the Berry Mary Advent Calendar. I did enjoy those, especially the green one. It kind of tasted like green apple, and I really, really enjoyed the flavoring of that. It did not taste like cough syrup, which I have like so many of these have. So that's already a win, but I really enjoyed the flavoring of that. That was really good, and it wasn't like super tough either. I mean, it's a gummy kind of texture, but it wasn't like some of these I've literally had to like chomp on to be able to even like have a bite of it. So actually, this might be my favorite one of all. Really enjoyed that. So guys, that's all I got for this Vlogmas. I hope y'all did enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.